If your mobile data is not working on a Samsung A07, first of all open the settings and let me show you how you can fix this. Open connections, and first of all I will actually go for data usage. And you have to check for your SIM cards for the first one and make sure that you are not using data limit, because when the data limit will go above this specific limit, then your mobile data will be paused and you will be not able to use them. So make sure that this is actually turned off for both of your SIM cards. But if you still got this issue and your mobile data is not working, you can simply go for SIM manager. First of all, check if both of your SIM cards are turned on, and then you can check which SIM card is set for mobile data, or maybe it's turned off even. So make sure that you pick correct SIM card and make sure that both of them are actually turned on. And if it is still not working, you can go into the more connection, or maybe not here. So you have to go back, click on the top and input reset button. Reset phrase. And now go for reset Wi-Fi, reset mobile network settings. And now you can just simply try to reset them. And this is actually 3 tips that I can give you. Let me know if it works.